For the purpose of archiving any artifact, you can always use any storage app. In our case, we're going to be using Google Drive. To access Google Drive, you click on the squares and then click on Drive. Once that we are in Google Drive, we're going to be creating a folder for our portfolio. Just click on New, then Folder. The name of the folder is called Portfolio. Once that you create the portfolio folder, you can double click. In order to have everything nice and organized, we can have two more folders. One is going to be for the coursework, and all the classes are going to be here. You can create all sorts of folders with the class name, and all the artifacts of that class, you can put them in here. So courses, and then another one is going to be for images and random images or videos or anything. We're just gonna call it images. So just click folder, and it's gonna be for images. From now on, whenever you create something or you have an artifact, we just already gonna be saving this in this folder. To organize your coursework and your artifacts, make sure you create a folder for every single class. Double click on Courses folder, then create a folder for every class. In this case is English 1301. Once that you have the folder, you can drop all the files in here. For the purpose of this presentation, we're gonna create a Google Doc. Once that you create a document, we're gonna name it with the date. This way it's gonna keep everything organized I need. So today's 6/28/2018, and then the name of the file. I want to keep everything together, that's why I add an underscore. So in this case it's gonna be an essay. And then once that you're done, you can start working on this document. To digitize the artifacts in a low budget, the only thing we need are some lights and a solid background. Use the standard 3-point lighting as a reference. Make sure you have the backlight. It could be the light from the room. For the key light, you can always use the flash of the camera. For the fill light, you can use the lamp. Make sure you arrange the object so it looks nice on camera. You do not have to have a professional camera to take a high quality picture. The key is the lighting. You are welcome to use any cell phone to take a picture. To edit the brightness and contrast, you can always use some photo editing apps like Pixel, GIMP, or if you have a fancier version, Photoshop. Some apps can even let you add a depth of field, making your picture to look like if I was taken with a professional camera. To scan any diplomas, certificates, or awards, you may download an application on your phone. Just go to Play Store and type scanner, then look for the scanner that you will use. For iPhone, you can use iScanner. For Android, you may use free apps like Tiny Scanner or Simple Scan. Click on it. Make sure the app is installed before you use it. Clean any debris from the diploma with a cloth or a tissue paper. Make sure it's well lighted and there's no reflective surfaces. When you take the picture with the scanner app, position it as straight as possible. Take the picture. Now manipulate the handles to match the sharp edges on the document. Click on the check mark. Choose the color that contrasts the font and is readable. Click on the check mark. Then save on the storage app of your choice. I will be using Google Drive as before and save it in the appropriate folder. To end the video, I will leave you with the ePortfolio sample artifact directory list.